Unlock better vision. 3 natural eye health secrets. Why do 80% of adults notice vision worsening after 30? Is it just screens? Or is there more we can do? Let's find out how to give your eyes a fighting chance. First, blink more. Blinking keeps your eyes moist and happy during long screen sessions. Next, try the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away. For 20 seconds, this tiny habit gives your eyes a much-needed break. Now let's talk food. Leafy greens, carrots, eggs, oily fish. They're packed with lutein and omega-3s. And hey, stay hydrated. Dry eyes can make vision feel blurry. Sunlight is your friend. Don't forget sunglasses. Too much UV can damage your eyes over time, so rock those shades outside. Don't underestimate sleep. Your eyes repair themselves while you rest. Try simple exercises. Rolling your eyes in circles, focusing between close and distant objects, palming. Rub hands, rest over closed eyes for a minute. These relax tired eye muscles.